I would argue, the most important part. I know when we look at lawsuits or we look at law shows or stuff that's happening in the news resulting in going to the Supreme Court, that stuff's important. I'm going to say to you, in the debt collection context, what I'm about to tell you, is the most important part about winning a debt collection case. And it is that counter affidavit. So the first contact you're generally going to get from a debt collector, whether it be the debt collector or law firm, is that first collection letter. It is governed by the FDCPA 1692G, 15 U.S.C. 1692G. That tells the debt collector how they must serve you that first notice and what they must notify you about. It's very big. How you respond to that will determine if you can win the lawsuit. Yeah, I said that. So let's take a look. So my favorite video in this context is this one, how to fight a collection lawsuit before it is served. And in that, I talk about garbage time. Garbage time is when you become aware a lawsuit's coming your way in whatever form, and when you're actually served. So you don't need to fear, per se, a lawsuit that's been filed. You fear, if you will, the jeopardy that you you are not in jeopardy until you are served with the lawsuit. So that filing and service, and even that first letter, that's a couple of months where you can do great things for yourself.